So here we see a model of the atom, and we see the electron spinning around the proton, and this is in the substrate theory, which means we have a medium, we have a substrate, and both of these two elements are rotating and emanating, creating ripples in the substrate. So if we zoom in, we see the proton is then making waves outwards, which is the electrical field. And the the electron is then the other way, and then that's why they are joined together, creates the counter waves, which then makes electric field with the other charge, and that's how it becomes neutral. So this is then the ground state, where you have the electron in the innermost orbit, and then we're going to show when we ionize, when the electron leaves, it's going to be like this, boom. And then when an electron changes speed, then the emanating field gets a little kink in it because of the changing of the speed, and that's electromagnetic radiation. That's when you get light, like a photon, light or electromagnetic radiation, depending on the frequency. And then we're going to show now if you have a new electron. So now it's unshielded, so now it's emanating an electric field, as protons would do by itself. And then we get a new electron coming in. Now it finds the outermost orbit, and then it keeps moving inwards, and then every time it moves, it changes speed, it accelerates, therefore it emanates light or electromagnetic waves, a kink in like a spherical fashion. And then again, you can see now it's electrically neutral again. And then you can see here again, we have different views. This is then very close up. You have a standard view, you have a zoomed out view, and we can also then show which parts to show, and again ionize and attract another electron. So this is just a small demonstration of how in the substrate theory, how this works. Like what are the particles? They are then rotating patterns in the substrate, and then they emanate electrical fields, and if they move, you get electromagnetic fields or pulses. And you can see like this again, and we can have another look there. So we're going to have many more videos, so thanks for watching. If you have any thoughts, comments, just leave them in the section below, and I will read everything and try to answer everything as well. So thanks for now, and we'll be back soon in another video. Bye bye.